So recently, I've been playing around with my lippies and nakadiscover ako ng tatlong lippy combinations that I really want to share with you guys. This is the first trio combination. We have here the lip base. So yung lip base, I used Get Ready With Me's Milk Tint Volume 2 in the shade Pablo's Latte. And for the lip liner, it's an Eyecrayon from Sunnies Face. This is in the shade Earth. And for the lip topper, yung gloss na ginamit ko is yung Hydragloss from Issy and Co. This is in the shade Blow. Sobrang gusto ko yung combination na to because it's more on the cool tone side. Actually, guys, I'm a bit tanner than usual because I went to the beach. Even though I'm a bit tan and yung lip base na Pablo's Latte is a bit too light, hindi pa rin siya nagka-clash. It still works out with my skin tone. So what I like to do is nagla-lip base muna ako ng Get Ready With Me, the Milk Tint in the shade Pablo's Latte. Yung Eyecrayon, nilalagay ko lang siya on the top and bottommost area of my lips. Hindi ako nagla-line all over my lips because this is such a deep kind of shade. And I just want to focus it on those areas because if I apply it all over my lips would look big and wide, and that's not the look that I'm going for. Yung look that I'm going for is a more plump one. And the same thing goes with your lip gloss. So for the Hydragloss, hindi ako nag-gloss all over my lips. I just concentrated on the center of my lips para yung ilaw doon lang nagbabounce. And it gives this illusion that my lips look plump and juicy. Yung first combination is more of a cool tone, baby pink kind of shade. Yung next naman is more of a mauve and deeper version of that. So this combination is a combination of Sunnies Face Fluffmattes in the shade Brunette and 143 and Pixie's Lip Max Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Sheer Rose. Now yung lip gloss nila has a similar mauvish kind of shade as well, na parang 143 din siya. For the lip base, yung ginamit ko is yung Fluffmatte in the shade 143. And for the application, I didn't use a heavy swipe, but just a light dab. Then after that, I would line the topmost and bottommost area of my lips with Fluffmatte's Brunette. And then, of course, to top it all off, I use the Lip Max Lip Gloss ng Pixie in the shade Sheer Rose. And again, I just focus it on the center of my lips. Yung combination na to is something that I highly recommend sa mga kasing kulay ko or deeper. It can still give that blushy effect on the lips without having to go for pink. Last combo that I really want to share with you guys, and I feel like I've already shared this in one of my videos. Nakalimutan ko na, but for sure na-share ko na to. And I have shared this on my Instagram for sure. This is all matte naman, okay? Wala siyang gloss topper. So yung combination is from Sunnies Face Fluffmatte pa rin. So we have two shades here, BDay and Nudist. And for Gloss Beauty, we have their Plush Matte in the shade Off Duty. Yung Off Duty is my favorite pink shade. For this combination, yung inuna ko yung lip liner. And this time, nagline na ako all over my lips because yung lip liner na ginamit ko is yung shade na BDay. Hindi ganun ka-deep yung shade na BDay. So it's okay for me to line all over my lips. And for the lip base, kinumbine ko yung shades ng Off Duty and Nudist because when you combine these two shades, it gives off this pinkish, nudish kind of shade that I really like. It's such a versatile kind of shade that works out on Filipino skin so well. I've used this combination on a lot of my girls on Studio Booya. By the way, if you haven't been following my Instagram, go check it out. This is such a foolproof combination. That's why I use this combination a lot on my girls at Studio Booya. All of these lippies will be linked in the description box below if you want to try them out. And guys, please tag me because I want to see these combinations on you. So tag me on my Instagram account at Makeup by Booya. If naghanap pa kayo ng mga lippies, then I have my lip swatch playlist right here. And if naghanap din kayo ng mga Shopee haul, may playlist din ako para dyan. So if you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. If you have any more comments or video suggestions, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.